Yo, what's up, guys? Just cool here, and today we are going to looking at my custom made, not really custom, Lego made Mario. He looks cool, right, guys? After this review, I'm going to start building for you guys and start uploading some videos early. And guys, I had to give Mario some of his accessories, like his hammer, his you guys, you can't believe this. I made a playset with him. His starter playset to the end. I used up all my Legos except for my spider Legos. I'm going to be uploading that video for coming time. But look, guys, this I can't speak today. This block, he jumps on it, or he always jumps on it, or go under it and jump like that. Or he can take his hammer. Guess what he can do? So next one, I'll be right back. Hold on. So the next one is Fire Mario, guys. Yes, Fire Mario. Here's the fire flower. When you give Mario it, yo-ho! Mario time! And then you get Fire Mario. You can see so good, guys. I stayed up last night designing my own suit and designing Lego Mario. No. Alright, next form. Hold up. The next form I want to show you guys. Don't laugh. It's the ice flower. And when you give it again to Mario, yo-ho-ho! Ice Mario! Yes, sorry I couldn't do the yo because I don't know why. Because that always holds me. But because he has the ice piece and Fire Mario has the fire piece, it's like shooting the ice out of there. Alright, next form, hold up, guys. Next form, guys, the leaf form, the raccoon form, where he just gets the tail and a hat. I didn't really want to do the hat, just the tail. But let's go. Here we go, guys. No yo-ho again because I messed up last time. R.I.P. Jazz Cool here, please. I can't say yo-ho anymore. R.I.P. Rip. Alright, besides that, guys, here is Raccoon Mario. Or is it Raccoon Mario? There it is. And the last form of Mario is... Give me 1 second. Hattie! Hey, Mario! Let's go! Okay. Woo! Mario time! And it's the last form is Mario Honesty. Can just take off his bald head, and you can put this here, the hat on his hand, so it kind of looks like he's throwing it. So guys, if you want to see a hairpiece, I don't have any earpieces, but I'll get in the future. Look, guys. No, 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 yeah, no, 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 no. Yo, Mario time. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright, guys. So that's the end of this video. I'm not really going to end it off right there, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Very much. Please support me by liking the video, subscribe, share to all your friends. Please, guys, I'm desperate. I don't have any likes or subscribers. Only on my first video that you need to check out, and the rest of my channel. And I'm going to just, guys, hold up. I'm going to just go through the map that I made for Mario. So let's begin. Hold on, guys. Yo-ho-ho! Guys, I have to do it. Sorry, guys, hold on. Yo-ho-ho! Fire flower! Alright, hey guys, sorry for that animation. Did you actually? Hold up, guys. Yo! Alright, guys, now I'm back. Sorry for that. If you have wasted time, please know to like, subscribe, comment, share to all your friends. And maybe I'm taking up this a little too long. Or did I already say it? Alright, guys, see you later. Jazz cool. Remember to stay cool, cool gang.